Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name. Red color, red color. Blue color, blue color. White color, white color. Black color, black color. Green color, green color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first we draw A. A for apple, A for ant. And use red color. The alphabets of A. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And use blue color. Blue color. C for cat, C for car. Kids, again use blue color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use white color. White color. Kids, again use white color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids, now draw G. G for God. The alphabets of G. G for God, G for glass. And use black color. Black color. The alphabets of G. Kids, again use black color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Kids, now draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. And use green color. Green color. Kids, again use green color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. Kids, now draw K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. Kids, now draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. And use red color. Red color. Kids, again use red color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N. Kids, now draw O. O for orange. O for orange, O for octopus. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. The alphabets of P. Kids write Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. And use black color. Black color. Q for queen. Kids again use black color and draw R. R for rose. The alphabets of R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids now draw S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. The alphabets of T. Kids now draw U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw V. V for van, V for vanilla. Kids now draw W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. Kids now draw Y. Y for yak. The alphabets of Y. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. The alphabets of Z. Kids now draw numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use black color. Black color. O and E 1. The numbers of 1. It's again use black color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. TWO 2. It's mistake and draw Z. Z for zebra. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3. And use green color. Green color. THREE 3. Kids again use green color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. FOUR 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5. And use yellow color. Yellow color. FIVE 5. Kids again use yellow color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. SIX 6. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7. And use red color. Red color. SEVE and 7. Kids again use red color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. EIGHT 8. Kids now draw 9. The numbers of 9. And use blue color. Blue color. NINE 9. Kids again use blue color and draw 10. The last we draw 10. TE and 10. Kids, today draw. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for God, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for octopus, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for X-ray, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.